guys, my name is Shubh Yadav. Now in this video, we are learn ascending order and descending order. You know ascending order and descending order are very simple, but some students know they are very hard. So in this video, we are going to learn ascending and descending. So I am going to teach in very simple way. So you know ascending is smallest to greatest and descending is greatest to small, means ascending छोटे से बड़ा, descending बड़े से छोटा. So we are going to do first ascending order. Now see, this is smallest to greatest, so we will take numbers. Now see the number 5, 2, 1, 3, 5. So which is first? Smallest. First is smallest, so we will take first. Then second is smallest, then we will take second. Then third is smallest, then we will take third. Then fifth is greatest, then we will take fifth. And here is also fifth, so there is also 5. So the answer is 1, 2, 3, 5, 5. Okay. Now first question, then I am also doing ascending. Now see next question. You know ascending order is very simple. You know it has many names. Ascending order, smallest to greatest, down to up. So I am taking ascending order. One question also see. 6, 7, 9, 1, 2. So first, which is the smallest number? 1. So we will take 1. Then second is smallest, so we will take second. Then 6 is smallest, then we will take 6. Then 7 will be smallest, then we will take 7. Then 9 is only here number, so we will take only 9. So now I am giving one question of ascending order for you. Write the answer in comment box. Okay. Now see, there you have an answer. Question is see 9, 8, 2, 3, 1. This is your question. Write the answer of this question in comment box. Okay. Now we are going to do descending order. It has also many names. Descending order, greatest to smallest, up to down. So now we are going to do descending order. See, we are taking 1, 3, 2, 7, 9. So see, now it has answer is smallest, greatest to smallest. So now which is the answer is first greatest to smallest. So which is biggest number? 9. So we will take 9. Then 7. So we will take 7. Then 3. So we will take 3. Then 2. So we will take 2. Then only 1. So there is only 1. So you know all the orders, ascending order and descending order. So now I am going to do one question of descending order. Now see, 9, 7, 8. So the answer is 9. So 9. Then 7 is smaller, 2 is smaller, 8 is biggest. So there is 8. Then 7 is greatest, 2 is smaller. So we will take then 7. Then 2 is only number, so we will take 2. Now I am giving one number of you. You have to write the question answer in comment box. See, 1, 8, 7, 9. This is your question. Write the answer in comment box. When you like my channel, subscribe it, like it and share it. Jai Hind.